In C++, classes are like custom data types. They're designed to be used like the fundamental types provided by the C++ language. Let's start by defining the terminology that we'll be using in this chapter. First, let's look at the words class and object. The definition of a class, using the class keyword, is the class itself. You can then use the class to create an object. The object is also called an instance of a class. Sometimes you'll hear the verb form instantiate to describe the process of creating an object. Members are the contents of an object. There are two types of members. Data members are the members that represent encapsulated data. Data members are sometimes called properties. Function members are members that represent functions associated with the class. Function members are sometimes called methods. Constructors and destructors are special function members that are called when an object is created or destroyed, respectively. A constructor is called when the object is created. There may be several constructors defined, but only one is called depending on how the object is created. The destructor is called when the object is destroyed. There may only be one destructor defined. C++ classes allow you to create fully realized types that work exactly how you want them to. Using C++ classes, you may create constructors for a variety of different types and numbers of parameters, allocate and deallocate memory appropriately so that your objects run smoothly, overload operators so that your objects can use those operators intelligently, overload the function call operator so that your objects can operate like a function, create conversion operators so that your objects behave as you expect them to in different contexts. The C++ class model allows you to define rich and complex data types and use them just as you would a fundamental built-in data type. In this chapter, we will cover how to define and use these features in your own C++ classes.